Here's a quick story that will tell you the value of cold calling. So first, cold calling is definitely not dead. Not at all. One person I know actually used cold calling to build over $1 billion company, or at least the foundation for that company. And essentially all he did was he came up with the exact value proposition, the exact objections, and the exact responses to those objections that customers would have. And then he trained one person how to do that. Then he trained another person how to do that. Then he started getting more lists, larger lists of people. Then he trained more people how to do it, more people how to do it. Before he knew it, he had hundreds of people reaching out with this script and built an amazing business. And the other thing that was great, the business had a ton of value. So cold calling is definitely not dead. It's super, super powerful. But the biggest mistake people make with cold calling is they try to have somebody who's not qualified, not good on the phone, doesn't have a good script, reach out and do cold calling. You really need a good, solid professional with a really good system to have